Hello friends, my name is Emma, and if you are searching how to fix Sims 4 mods not showing up, so today in this video, I am going to tell you how you can fix Sims 4 mods not showing up. Only in some easy steps, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Open the File Explorer. It can be found via the Start menu or by typing File Explorer into the search bar. Head to your Sims 4 mods folder and check whether there is any zipped file. If yes, right-click the zipped file and select Extract All. If you've unzipped the mod package correctly but the mod still isn't working, now follow these steps. Launch Sims 4. Head to the game's main menu. Click Game Options, then Other. Select Enable Custom Content and Mods. Check the box next to Script Mods Allowed. Click Apply Changes. Restart the game. If the mod doesn't work after all these steps, chances are you need to update the game. Some of the older versions don't support mods at all. So please update your game from EA Games website and find Sims 4. Right-click it and select Check for Update. If a newer version is available, it will install automatically. Don't forget to enable mods again after the update, as EA updates disable mods. And you are done. Only by using this method, you can easily fix Sims 4 mods not showing up. Hope you like this video. If yes, please hit a like button. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.